polyline wall center. So script will identify the center between separate lines. So if you want to explode and extract measurements, just enable these two options and then click execute. When all contours are extracted, we can easily extract dimensions of all rooms with a single click by using the same script. So for example, we can choose that big room and run the same script, room tools. So here you can select Polyline Explode, execute, and here when you run this option, there is option only to explode this polyline or explode and extract measurements. So if you want to explode and extract measurements, just enable these two options and then click execute. So script will extract all angles for this room and also will extract all lenses for this room. So you will see all that information. So you can create custom view and use it for report generation. So for example, I will use that view. And if I go to report page, here software already created for me this chapter. I can just drag and drop this view, adjust scale. And here you can also drag and drop the tables about angles and about lenses. So here our angles, here our lenses. Also, this explode tool can be used for the extracting center of walls. So it could be useful if we're going to send this information to other CAD software. So for that, we should select all lines, run the same tool, Polyline Explode. No need to measure, no need to extract measurements. So right now we just need to explode. So after that, you will see that each line will be exploded into separate segments. Then select all these segments and run to wall center, Polyline wall center. So script will identify the center between separate lines and assign to each line the name related to the thickness of the wall. So here, for example, if the wall is about 200 millimeters, in that case, you will see in the name of the line same width. So all these center lines will be saved into a separate folder. It will be very easy for you to export them with information about thickness.